try this different trail here today. Right over here. Sandy. See how we do. Go nice and slow. Intentionally gonna try to make it stall, because that's why I bought the damn Rekluse for it. Man, dude, that's absurd, man. Look at this. It's like a moped, dude. That, yo, spend the money, dude. Spend the money. I mean, you can use the clutch like a regular clutch, and it's better than a regular clutch. Better than OEM clutch, that's for sure. It's stronger, pulls stronger. And I'll show it to you here in a minute again, if you didn't see it already. And you can't beat this, man. Say, for example, this is probably the equivalent of freaking mud. Ah. And Joker's still trucking, man. Just slowly moving. I love it, man. I wasn't gonna say that yet. I was gonna wait till some more gnarly trails, but I'll say it right now, dude. Not afraid to say it. But I would say if you're in the right gear, and I'll try it now. That ain't bad, dude. I mean, I was probably in a higher gear. See that? That's strong, dude. I mean, I can live with that. So that's what you want, man. When you don't have a motocross bike, you want a good clutch. You can get over some logs and stuff. Honestly, first time that I rode this Joker, I almost pulled my back, man. I mean, because it's not as light as the YZ 250, and it's not as poppy as the 250, so I was trying to muscle it. So, same thing with the guys with the 450. You gotta learn how to use the clutch to get over obstacles. So, with the Rekluse, at least the Radius X, I had no problem with that, man. Just pop the clutch, dude. Well, I would say, yeah, downshift if you're at a low RPM. There you go. Anyways, I'm over here getting ready to test the start on the Rekluse. So I have it on second gear right now. You can feel the drag right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start it in gear, no clutch. The clutch is out, and see what benefit that's gonna give me. And then I'm gonna start it with the clutch. I'm thinking with the clutch is safer because you know it's gonna start. But then again, it's a Rekluse. It's supposed to start without the clutch. So either way, I'm gonna do both. All right, here we go. So that's just freaking awesome, man. No clutch, starting second, and it's a lot, to me it's quicker than a e-start. So that's money well spent, man. All right, and it helps me a whole lot more than an e-start because it's not going to turn off on the trail. It's not going to turn off while I'm riding. So it's a twofer. Starts more. Twofer plus. Hard brakes. It's not gonna stall. I can start it in gear, no clutch. I can let go of the clutch. It's gonna idle. Man, it even has engine brake. That's what's amazing. So, man, I like it, man. Maybe previous models weren't as good, but the Radius X is the way to go, man. All right, so we'll do the same thing and start it with the clutch. All right, now I got it in first. Then I'm gonna let go of the clutch. It's in first gear, yo. Bros, I use it all, man. You know, I've been around so many people, man, in the army and everywhere. And I probably got it turned off there, but it took a little while. I'll probably have to adjust it a little, and that may become, and the manual says it, you have to adjust it. You have to adjust it every ride, making sure that you have the proper adjustment. That could become a pain in the ass. So I would say that would be the only downside right now, that I just adjusted it Tuesday, now it's Thursday, and it looks like it needs adjustment already. I like to, even though I'm a maintainer, I like freaking maintenance free shit. So anyways, starting off with the clutch, I hesitated some. So I think I'm gonna try the starting off or taking off without the clutch. It's the way to go, man. Let me start in a second.